the reality that I found was that in 3200 BC, that Menes, or Number, he united Upper and Lower Egypt. And Upper Egypt is actually the south. You see the Nile River, it looks like it flows like this. But no, it flows south-north. Because the mountains are in the south, and it flows to the north. And this Egypt was probably the first of the ancient countries to have a united government. And when we really look into the history of the Nile Valley, you can actually go back to around 17,000 BC and find people in settlements organizing themselves, having crops, conquering the river and uniting themselves. So by 3200 BC, now think how old this is. They unite Upper and Lower Egypt. And during that early time, they build the step pyramid. Now, some of these pictures I have were actually taken before digital technology. Okay, and so, but anyhow, this is the step pyramid. You see how big the people are there? This is built somewhere around 2700 BC. And it's still there. If you have a national monument in Holland that is like 100 years old, if you have a building 100 years old, right? Or 200 years old, it's a national monument. Think about this. This is built 2700 BC, add on 2015, that's like 4,000 years ago. And it's still there.